I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that.
Hey besties, my name is Steph and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are returning girl, hey besties. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. We're going to get right into this install. We're going to start with braiding our client back. The key to a flat ass install is a raw ass foundation. So let's get into it. I now want to introduce a new product to you guys. It is my lace glue called the Best Hold Lace Glue. And it is waterproof and it has an amazing hold. I get at least 3.5 to 4 weeks out of all installs on my clients. And yes, it is 2022. It's time to get out of Ghost Bond and go into more black owned brands that is safe for our skin. So yes, we're going to take that hold glue and we're going to put it across the hairline, in front of your client's hairline, not on top of the hairline. And you're going to put it around that hairline nice and smooth. And you're going to take, I took my finger, but you can take a popsicle stick, you can take the edge of like those edge brush, a rack tooth comb, and smooth that in very thin, very small, very, across your client hairline. Yeah, just like that. And we're gonna let that dry completely clear before going in and cutting that lace. You make me spend my whole fucking pregnancy alone. And where would you at? Now it's time to cut that cap off our client. So we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut where the glue ends across our client's hairline. Very smooth, very careful so we do not cut our clients. And you're just going to go in a zigzag motion across that line, across their forehead. A zigzag line always gives for a great, good finished product. When you go straight, ain't no hairline straight. So we gotta give that zigzag cut just to go around. And yes, be careful around their ears as well. The foundation that we will be using today is Ruby Kisses. We'll be using that on the cap as well as on the lace. And per usual, the wig that we'll be using today is from my brand, The Best Way. All information to purchase that custom unit as well as the lace glue will be in the description box below. And all my subscribers, if you go to my website, there will be a little treats in the description box for your purchase for glue as well as our units. Now we're going to take that hold glue and we're going to put it across our client's hairline. little. You do not need a lot. You just go across the hairline, and I'm going to take the edge of that brush and I'm going to smooth it in across the hairline. So I'm going to add a dot, smooth it in across the hairline and the edge of the cap. We're not going to put it too far behind the cap, but we're going to put it on that edge of the cap. And we're going to go around 3 times after each layer dries completely clear.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma beat downtown, man. Flow down, man, that's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat, I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag, now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags, now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700, 3 I-5s, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us.
So we had a mini technical difficulty. My camera overheated and I did not get the part of cutting that lace. But I went in with an edge razor, and if we follow these steps correctly, it should be an easy transition of cutting that lace across the legit hairline of your client. And yes, now we're gonna go in with these baby hairs. I'm gonna part a piece of the hair out, hot comb the edges forward and hot comb some back. And then I'm gonna go in with that head wrap one more time for a few more minutes, just to make sure everything else around the edges are dry from cutting the lace. So it's been about 5 to 7 minutes. I pin curled her curls back up for a few minutes, and now we're going to take off that band. And for edges, I've never been a fan of this until recently, but I have recently got into the little flat iron and curling your edges. It has definitely been a game changer for how I do edges. My client has always been asking me for these different type of edges, the swoops and stuff, and I've been a natural, like, you know what I'm saying, like I could just swoop the things up. But nah, this little thing changed how I do the thing. It gives you so much control when you're trying to lay clients' edges. It's crazy how a little flat iron could just do that. But yes, I'm gonna go in with that mini flat iron, and we're gonna swoop them edges up, and then we're gonna get into them. So after we get our edges the way we want to, we cut off all excess baby hairs, we do our swoops, we lock everything in, we add our edge brush across the front of the hairline for one last time, and our blow dryer on cool heat, and we let that rest for a little bit. And then once we remove that band, we have a flawless finish install just like that, honey. And what lace? I want to thank you all for tuning into this video with me to purchase my lace glue as well as a custom unit just like this one. All information will be in the description box below. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and let me know in the comments any other installs, tutorials, or different things you want to see on this channel. And we're going to get it done, and we're going to get to it. Yes, ma'am, and I will see you all in my next video.
Stopping bitches down like it was in the hands. I don't want no petty money, don't want no man. Private island living, chillin' with 2 and 10. Fucking billionaire, ballers rap, shit got me grand. Motorsport, do the dance, try to top in the lamb. Chanel bags, gotta make me know it. You need a hot girl, boy, you gon' have to show it. You wanna taste, baby boy, you gon' have to.